Saffron is grown only to harvest 3 tiny stigmas. Yunnan is one of the main planting regions. In Chongming, Miaozhen, Shanghai, it is currently the largest saffron planting area in China. The planting season is usually September in autumn, when the temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius with plenty of sunlight. Choose large and plump corms. On a sunny day, bury the corms shallowly into the soil, leaving the small tip exposed. The soil must have good drainage to prevent rot from overwatering. After about 22 days, the corms sprout. By day 38, green shoots emerge. Water only when the soil is dry. After just one more day, the flowers bloom, opening during the day and closing at night. After 1 to 3 days in bloom, they can be harvested. Each flower produces 3 stigmas. Harvesting only requires tweezers to gently pluck out the red threads. Saffron as a spice helps invigorate blood circulation, has calming and nourishing effects, and keeps the mind sharp. After harvest, water once before winter to prevent freezing. By the following April-May, they can sprout and bloom again.